All right, guys, welcome to the Wednesday Directions Quiz Day today. So you have the quiz right there. The flashcards I'm going to have to delete now, unfortunately. But yep, take the quiz today, guys. Multiple choice, true, false, 25 questions, 2 points each, 50 points total. If you're okay, if you're someone at home, you got till 3 o'clock to take it. So it'll be up and running at 3. Or tell 3. If you're a fifth hour online student, the quiz won't be live until your hour starts. All right, so keep that in mind. So you're going to have to actually check in fifth hour, which would be about 12:20. The quiz will be live probably around 12:25, and then you'll be able to take it then too. Again, if you don't take the quiz today, it gets counted as a missing. So when you do take it, it already gets deducted down to 70% of whatever you got. So make sure you're checking and doing your job today. All right, that's all I got. Good luck taking the quiz. We're not doing anything after, just working on missing work. All right, guys, have a good day.